So this is a pound yen analysis for Tuesday, 3rd of July. Now let's just have a look at our prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come up towards this 146.38, from which we encountered resistance, breaking us beyond the 146 all the way down towards this 200 period moving average. Trades quite a bit and slightly below the 200 period moving average here. We did test the 45.20, didn't quite get down towards that 45.11. But in around that 200 period average and at 45.20, we found support at the 200 period average. Brief bullish bounce, retested the 200 period average, held the support for a subsequent move, this continuation here to the upside. So we do have a lower, slightly relatively higher low. And what we did see was from this 200 period moving average support, we've seen this move to the upside, take us beyond the 146 for another test of that 146.38, from which we do appear to be rejecting at the moment. So if we do see this sell side momentum continue to the downside from this 146.38, we're looking for a move down towards that 146. With the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. But if we do fail to hold the 146, we're looking for possibly a breakdown towards that 145.40 previously, an area we found support, and also we have the 200 period moving average at that 145.40. It is a minor level, hence the reason why I'm not going to mark it out on the chart. But if we do break down from there, we're looking for a level of more significance in around that 45.11. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards that 44.78. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, we're looking for a move down towards that 144.36. If, however, we do see a bit of a turnaround from where we are, well, I wouldn't say it's a bit of a turnaround. If we do see the realignment with the most recent trend, which has been to the upside more recently, if we do see that realignment from this pullback from this 146.38, and instead what we do see is a break and hold of that 146.38. So if we can break and hold that 146.38, an area we previously found resistance, we are then looking for prices to start to head towards that 147.35 here to the upside on the pound against the yen. Beyond 147.35, of course, we've got the 148 and that 148.46. We've got the 148 and that 148.46, but we wouldn't anticipate 148.46 coming to focus, even if we do have a particular volatile day. If we do have a particular volatile day to the upside, possibly that 148 may just be the far end of the range here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily charts. See how prices have been developing. So we have a look over here at the daily chart, and as we can see here, we have our lows, we have a higher low, we have a rather strong bullish price action. Now we've encountered that 146.38 with that confluence of the 400 period moving average here on the daily chart. Well, we've encountered resistance there 2 prior days. We are testing that level at present here on the 3rd of July. So we'll look to see where we can break and close above it from a daily chart perspective, which would increase our confidence that we might likely see a move up towards that 147.35, after which we're looking for a move up towards that 148 for that 148.46 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.